All right, guys, welcome to another episode of my 6S felony. Well, it's not a felony no more. It's my C8, Arma C8, whatever, right? So, real quick, guys, I always try to make my videos short. So I'm in my front canards. I'm putting on both sides. Boom, boom. All right. Made rear view mirrors. Okay. They look sick. I like them. I did the rear over for this one as well. I really like this one. I'm in the process of making another model or another design. Okay. I got this body support. I'm gonna show off in a minute. Guys, if y'all guys wanna this kit, this 3D printed kit, the louver, mirror, and then the front canards. Oh, also I did the rain guard here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a rain guard. Cause like, why not, right? I'm gonna put all this in the link in the description so you can get one for yourself. All right. This is I think this is a teal blue. It matches with the weather. It's snowy out here. I'm running the Max 6 4985 cam motor, 1650 kV, I think it is. 6S, I only run on 6S. I don't run in on 8S. I don't really want to break it. I'm not trying to pull speed numbers, no numbers, just drifting. Some speed runs, nothing crazy. Okay. All right. The body gets on that channel. And the outer part, it pushes outward, so that it can cover for the most part of the wheel. Take a look at the wheel well over here. Yep. So you guys can see, it pushes it outward. The body's pretty flexible. All right, this thing pushes the body outward some, but man, look at that. All right, let's make more passes. Check this out.